Sit where you are, mother. What's the problem?
They told me that it was cellulitis in the hospital. Cellulitis.
You say what?
Cellulitis, sir.
You have what?
Cellulitis.
Cellulitis.
Yes, sir.
Which kind of sickness is that?
That makes the legs to swell.
God have mercy.
Cellulitis.
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 Yes, sir.
What is cellulitis?
with you teachers?
Bacterial infection.
We are not informed too.
Bacterial infection.
Yes, sir.
That's cellulitis.
Cellulitis.
Continue.
Cellulitis.
No
Yes,
problem.
a bacterial infection.
God will see
Bacterial infection.
Yes, sir.
It's
There is
cellulizing.
God in everything
Yes,
we
sir.
are.
Cellulizing.
No, cellulitis.
Cellulitis.
Tis.
See.
Yes, sir.
Cellulitis.
Cellulitis, or you call it bacterial infection.
Bacterial infection is a bacteria.
Yes, sir.
Watching the cellulitis.
It's bacterial infection too, sir.
Cellulitis.
Yes, sir.
See?
No, C-I-S. Cellulitis.
Okay, cellulitis.
Yes, cellulitis.
Tello.
No, C-L-U-T-I-S.
T-L-U.
Cellulitis. Also, let's call it bacterial infection.
I want to know the meaning of tellulitis. Tellulitis.
Okay.
Who tell you the tellulitis?
It's doctor.
It's doctor.
Yes, sir.
His name is Down.
How old